That was fun. I like these seats too, these are sick. How did they do that? I don't want this like at my driveway. Waiting for my ride to show up from work.
That's a good idea.
Trying to catch the bus, you know, to the casino. Out to dinner first in the casino. Just kidding. I just can't wait to live with him. I feel like the life will be funner. And that's kind of boring except for when he's here now. So I figure like it should be funner. Got my shoes kind of dirty. It was fun. That was cool. That sound coming from the ground.
Yeah.
That was awesome. I'm gonna be playing it for my kids. Like, listen, just listen.
Have you, in the different hikes that you've told your kids, have they been interested in any of them, or are they just like, yeah, that's cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
That's crazy.
My oldest is interested in doing stuff like that, but he's easily able to stay, like he'll stay at home and play with his friends to be cooler, you know. Sometimes he wants to go with me places that Shane doesn't want to go, so he's like, oh, I'll just stay home with him since he doesn't want to go. So instead of making him go and then we have to listen to him complain the whole time.